Welcome back to the Fuji Guy's channel. My name is Francis. So today we're going to take a look at what comes in the box of the brand new Fujifilm X-T4. So if you're interested, keep on watching. All right, so let's take a look at what's inside the box. So first up, when we open it, we do have two QR codes, one for the manual and one for the Fujifilm camera remote app. If we open this up, we do have a little bag here with some documents and warranty information, as well as a Capture One pamphlet, just to let you know where you can get the free Capture One Express for Fujifilm so you can work on your raw images for free. So let's put that to the side. Let's remove this top part here. And then we do have the main event here. So the Fujifilm X-T4. Let's take it out. And then we see now the eyelets do come attached to the camera with the little leatherette pieces. We do have the nice articulating flipping screen that will protect the camera when you put it into your bag. So this is great. Let's put it here. Back to the box. Let's remove this section here. Let's get to the inner box and then move this one away. All right. So first, let's take a look at the strap here. So a nice, thick Fujifilm strap, nice and padded. Let's put that over to the side here. Next, we have the charging block as well as the adapter. So let's take a look here. So we have the charging block itself with the USB-C port right here. So it's a 5-volt, 3-amp, 15-watt charging block. And then depending on the country you're in, you'll have a different adapter that you'll be able to simply connect just like that. So let's put it to the side. Next, we do have the brand new Fujifilm battery, the NPW235. So let's put it to the side here. Next, we have a USB-C cable. So USB-C to USB-C. So you'll plug one end onto the charging block and then one end to the camera. And then lastly, we do have the USB-C to 3.5 millimeter adapter that you can connect onto the camera so you can monitor your audio while recording. So let's just take that away. And then here's the content of the box for the Fujifilm X-T4. Now, before we wrap this up, I do want to mention, I highly suggest you do get a second battery, NPW235, because you don't want to run out of juice. And then another accessory that we'll unbox as well is going to be the vertical grip for the X-T4. So it's the VG X-T4. So let's open this up. We do have a little bit of information in there, and then open this. And take this box away. And then here we have the vertical grip for the X-T4, just like that. So taking a look quickly, we do have a shutter button, and then we can lock it as well if we don't want to accidentally press it. A Q button, function button here. We have our different boost modes here, joystick. And then this grip will allow you to add 2 extra batteries to the X-T4. So you'll have a total of 3 batteries. And then when the grip is actually connected to the camera, when you plug the camera to charge it using the USB-C and the charging block, it will actually charge the 3 batteries. So if you plug it into the wall, leave the camera there, when you come back to it, all 3 batteries will be charged. And then the last accessory I would suggest would be the external dual charger for the NPW235. So this wraps it up for the unboxing of the brand new Fujifilm X-T4. And if you'd like to know more about this and other Fujifilm product, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. And until the next time, c'était Francis pour les Fuji Guy.